Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making a recipe from the Great Depression called goulash. There are many different variations of this recipe and I am making one that my mother often made around Halloween. We called it Halloween Ghoulash. It's cheap and easy to make and the kind of recipe that often tastes better the next day. Here are the ingredients. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 large onion chopped, 1 cup of chopped carrots, a half a pound of cut up stew meat, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 cans of diced tomatoes. The first thing we have to do is put the butter into the pan and put the heat on medium and melt the butter. If you want to use a slice of bacon, you could use bacon too, instead of the butter. The butter is melted, so now I'm going to add the onion. And the carrots. And I'm going to let this cook a few minutes until everything softens. And this is on medium-high heat. It's been 5 minutes and the carrots are starting to soften and the onion is soft, translucent. So I'm going to put in now my stew meat. Add the paprika. You could smell the flavor of the paprika. And now I'm going to add my 2 cans of tomatoes. I'm going to pour them in, of the diced tomatoes. And now I have to give this a good stir, and that's all, and let this cook, and that's how easy it is to make this goulash. Very simple and easy. Now if you want to season with salt and pepper, you can. I'm just going to season mine with a little pepper. And people ask why we don't use salt. Well, Grandpa and I like to get our salt naturally. Like carrots have natural salt and the tomatoes have some salt, so you do get your salt. You do get the natural salt without having to add additional salt. It's starting to boil now, so I'm just going to lower the heat a little bit, and now it has to cook till the meat everything gets well cooked. When this is all finished, I'll be right back. The goulash is all ready now. It's been all cooked. I cooked it about an hour. Till the vegetables were soft and the meat was well done. This can be served over rice, noodles, or mashed potatoes. Some people like to mix in elbow macaroni. We always ate it over egg noodles, so that's how I am serving it to Grandpa today. How does it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Good, Ma. Taste the carrots, the paprika, nice meat. Very good for this school.
Glad you like it, Grandpa.
Good cook, Grandma. I love this Halloween goulash.
Happy Halloween, everyone, from Grandma.
And Grandpa, happy Halloween.